Welcome back to Just a Little Food. Today we'll be making orecchiette with roasted tomato and chorizo. And we're going to start cooking right now. Okay, I'm going to start with boiling the water for the pasta. The pasta should cook for about 10 minutes until ready. Now we'll move along to the next stage. So I have here 400 grams of cherry tomatoes and I've just cut them up in half. I'm now going to sprinkle 1 tablespoon of caster sugar over the cherry tomatoes. I have here 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which I'm just going to pour over the top. So I'm going to put this in the oven for 12 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, I've placed some olive oil in the pan to heat up on medium heat. I'm going to throw in some chorizos and cook it till golden brown. Okay, I'm just going to cook these 2 shallots and mix them in. Okay, these are done now. Time for the next step. Okay, I'm going to start with the garnish now. I've started with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm going to throw in some breadcrumbs and cook them till golden. So now I'm just going to add a zest of 1 lemon grown on raised tree out the back. I have here a teaspoon of dried chilli powder made by Ray. A teaspoon of fennel seeds from our cupboard in our kitchen. Okay guys, this is now done. On to the next step. So the pasta is ready now and I've strained it and I've kept the 1 tablespoon of cooking liquid left. No. I have here 600 grams of rocket and baby spinach, the roasted tomatoes, the chorizo and shallots, and 2 tablespoons of Ray's lemon juice. Okay, I'm going to gently mix all this together. And now I'm going to plate it up. Okay, now I'm just going to add the breadcrumbs. Try not to make a mess. And so here we have the final product. Orecchiette with roast tomato and chorizo. Thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our page. Hey, I'm Patty and this is Ray. I hope you enjoyed our episode.